Hello guys, good morning all. Welcome to Code Brain Execution. Today we are going to see the pandas, where we are going to learn pandas from scratch. Come on, with the help of GPT. Let's see how we are going to learn this one. Okay, it's not charging. Wait a minute. Wait, let me fix that issue. Okay, it's charging well. Okay, everything is set. Let's start the stream, guys. So, what is pandas? Let's start. What is pandas? Let's ask the GPT and try to find the answer. It's a Python library for working with data. So, okay, it helps you read data from files like CSV or Excel, clean and organize data, analyze large data sets, filter, source, groups, data, fine, handle missing values, prepare data for machine learning. Okay, fine. And Python, so Pandas is mostly used for data science, machine learning, AI projects, financial analysis, business analytics. Just fine. Now, how? Let's see. What is this? Data equal to name image. This is something look like a dictionary in Python, but here they are saying it is a data frame. It is a data frame. Okay. Concept like important things in pandas. What are that? Data frame. This is table with rows and columns. Okay, that is data frame. What is series? Series means single column of data. Fine. I think in machine learning or most of the things we are going to use this data frame only, not series. We will use series, but not often. And next, to read CSV file, we are going to use read CSV. And okay, in real life, uh, what kind of data the ML data science engineer will handle? Real world problems. Usually handle using pandas SQL. Okay, no, like answer, no, not this, not like this. I'm asking which file format they are using. Different project use different file format for storing data. Common file formats used by data science and ML engineers, CSV. Okay, which is used more often. Excel. Okay, sometimes JSON. Most common beginner formats. For CSV, we say read underscore CSV. For JSON, we are simply saying read underscore JSON. For Excel, read underscore Excel. Fine. Useful for okay. Like useful for NLP project like your spam detection. What is this? I don't know. SQLite, I have not used it. Parquet is used in big companies for huge data set because it is faster and smaller than CSV. Fine. Spam detection. Most beginners mainly use CSV, Excel, and JSON TXT. Okay, like how for CSV file we are going to use CSV, and for Excel we are simply going to use read underscore Excel. Let me write import pandas as PD, like PD. This is used to read CSV file. This is quotation, and now read underscore uh, Excel, which is for Excel. And for this, what we need to use PD dot read CSV file, and this PD dot read Excel. It's small letter fine, and I'm going to deal with PD. How to do with JSON and TXT file? Uh, it is also same like JSON. And how to do with a TXT file? How to do like read TXT? Let me see PD dot read underscore TXT or text or CSV is enough. File or plain files, by then you can read, write, and process them easily. You know, is there any comments like is there any comments like PD dot read like this? Wait a minute, for not for this. Uh, I'm asking for text file. Okay, for text I can simply use file name and dot read, which is more than enough. File dot read like that. This will read out. Else I can use open function like file equal to open sample read or open, which is used for using the text file. These are the most common things that we are using in our data. Okay, now how to create? What is a data frame? Data frame has rows and columns, which is called as data frame. If we have only columns, then it is called series. Fine. This is going to create an error. Yes, it is created an error. No such file or directory. We have not mentioned anything. Now, how to create a data frame? This is like we are creating a dictionary. Fine, wait. For this, we simply use data frame to read the data. Okay, let's create it. No issue. Data equal to, like, we are creating a simple dictionary. A is in colon, and we need to put that in a list. Just fine. Okay. B. Let's give the name C. Here, what will happen? Ron 56, 63, 8. Can I? Here, we are going to give you a variable name. It can be anything. So we cannot give we can also give the data like let's give, but I think it's going to have some problems. So that we simply give some name, data frame. No, no, give us the data. Not give. It's giving an error. Now let's run this one. Again error. What happened? What's the problem here? PDS data frame. Everything is. Oh, got it. I got it. This is. Here comes the error. Both are same. Then why the error is coming? PD dot data frame. Let's check the error. All arrays must be of same length. Understand? Here is the problem. Let's give Colonel Bailey. Now let's run this one. Everything is fine. A, B, C. Okay. We have created an data frame. This is what called as a data frame, like creating a dictionary. That's it. With a list. Now what is series? Let's give for this. Let's give data's dot head to, and let's see what it's going to do. It's only printing first two rows. Ram Sam 63 7 Chennai Coimbatore. Ram Sam 63 7 Chennai Coimbatore, which is fine. Okay, understand. Now what is series? Series is only it contains column. What is series? Column of data. It's called simply it is called as one dimensional array, one column for left side and right side. What is the difference between series and data frame? Series, single column, one dimensional, simpler. Data frame, multiple columns, two dimensional table structure. Email data set equal to data frame, one spam label column equal to series. To create a series, we are simply going to write pd.series. That's it. Like for example, let's give a name x equal to pd dot ram and sam ram. Okay. Now let's give the number. Now let's print these values. Print x. Here, what does index mean? What is the value of index? The index means in pandas, an index is the label a number used to identify each rows. So index is needed, which means then the index is needed or it is not. Yes, index is needed in most cases because pandas uses it to identify rows. Okay, why index is important? Selecting rows, searching data, but here I have given the name. It's wrong. Here it's saying index is for rows. Print selection. We should give numbers so that first of all, let me take this one. Wait, and let's see. Now what? See, index is 0, 1, 2. By default, it's giving numbers. But if we explicitly specify that, then it will become the values. Ram, Sam, Tam. Now let me run this one and give the comma here. This is the difference, guys. Data frame has table, columns, rows and columns. Wait, then let me say in what is a data frame? What is a data frame? It has rows and columns, and it is two-dimensional array, whereas series is one-dimensional array with column only. Is this correct? Let me ask. Wait. Like a table or spreadsheet. Let me create an array here. Wait a minute. Here, even though we are not giving anything, it's giving the index by default. Ram and Sama is a column name. Your index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In index also we can, sorry, we can give the In data frame also we can give the index value like this. Like pd dot data frame, we need to include date our data table, this one, comma, index. Then it will give the okay, now I have some basic understanding of data frames and Python. Next, what we are going to do is how to clean the data. For that, I need some Excel files with how to create the time series data. PD dot date range. What is this? Time series data means data connected with time and date. Stock prices by date, daily temperature, monthly sales, hourly website traffic. In Python, in pandas, we usually create time series using dates as the index. Periods 3, which means it goes up to 3. Okay. Sales 100, 200, 150. Okay, after this, what we are doing now is